Let's have a look at question 4 now. So the events eventually graduate and entering as a transfer students are not statistically independent. So we actually gave answer to this question in the previous video, but now let's also prove it with the math and we'll be like completely sure. So what we said is that graduating depends whether we're a transfer student or a regular student. That's what we saw in this graph over here. Now, to prove it with the math, we know that if they are to be independent events, then the probability of being a transfer student times the probability of graduating must be equal to the joint probability of T and G. We found out that joint probability is equal to 0.2106. Let's see what's the math over here. P of probability of being a transfer student times probability of being a graduate student. Well, that's going to be 27%, that's for transfer, and 34% for graduate, and that's definitely a different math problem. So that's going to be 0.27 times 0.34. Let me just solve it real fast. So 2734, 0.27 times 0.34, 0.09 as far as I can see. So that's equal to 0.09. 0.09, and what we can see is different than the joint probability that we calculated. So if they are different, that is a proof that they are not independent events. So no, they're not independent, they are dependent. So not statistically independent. That's true, and we're done.